Imagine consistent income from your digital product even while you sleep. It's not a dream, it's as simple as a strategy. Let's unpack how to get your product seen and sold, including why email marketing is your most valuable asset for building automated sales funnels, so you can stop guessing and start earning. What's up everyone, Ace here with MailerLite. We've been on quite a journey, haven't we? In part one of this series, we sparked those entrepreneurial brains with a ton of digital product ideas, everything from guides to subscriptions. And in part two, we rolled up our sleeves and built those amazing ideas into actual launched products. If you missed either of those though, don't worry though, I've actually put together a playlist of the entire series, so if you need to catch up, I'll put a link down in the description and some cards up here for you to access easily. But now it is time for the grand finale. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to selling and marketing your digital creations like a pro. So get ready to turn all that hard work into beautiful, consistent income. First up, pricing your digital product. There's no more guesswork here. Let's talk the numbers. How do you slap a price tag on that incredible ebook, course, or template that you just poured your entire heart into? You can't just pick a random figure. We need a strategy here. And this is where it's key to know your value and your competitor's value. Think about what your product does for your customer. Does it save them time, make them money? Does it solve a huge problem? That is actually the value that you are selling. Competitor research. Peek at what similar products are actually selling for. This gives you a great baseline, but here's actually a pro tip. Don't be afraid to price higher if you offer more value. A premium price can actually signal higher quality. And of course, there's running costs. Even digital products have costs. Think about payment processing fees, marketing tools, advertising, marketplace fees, etc. Factor these in so you're not just breaking even, but actually making a profit. Your goal isn't just to make sales, it's to make profitable sales. And pricing models. Pick your flavor, okay? There's different products, different pricing strategies. So for one-off sales, perfect for ebooks, templates, or individual guides. You basically have your customer pay once and they get the product, and that's that. And then you have bundles and packages. You know, if you have a few related products, you could bundle them up for a higher perceived value. This actually works really well with digital products. You can think the Indie Authors Launchpad Bundle, okay? Featuring an ebook on plotting, a template for book marketing, and a checklist for self-publishing. Something like that. Bundle it all together and you're good to go. And subscriptions. If you're offering ongoing value like a paid newsletter, an exclusive community, or, just weekly workout videos, subscriptions are going to be your best friend. This is actually how you can build that sweet recurring revenue. And for memberships, give exclusive access to a library of resources like premium stock photos or a vault of design assets for, a reoccurring fee. And choosing your sales hub. Where do you want to set up shop? So you've got your price sorted. Now, where do you actually want to sell your digital product? We're going to cover some of the best options, including how MailerLite fits right in. The power of your own website and MailerLite. Having your own website is like owning your storefront. It gives you full control over your brand and messaging and your customer experience. You're not relying on anyone else's platform rules or fees. MailerLite's e-commerce features, actually, we've made it ridiculously easy to sell your digital products directly from your MailerLite email account. You can create products, set up pricing, and accept payments, all without paying a single commission fee to us. Just connect your Stripe account, upload your file, and boom, you are open for business. And also, we take 0% commission, so you get to keep all your hard-earned profits. And of course, we have a website builder integration. MailerLite also has a user-friendly website builder, so you could actually build your entire online presence and sell your products all in one place. There's no coding required either, just drag and drop your way to digital product success within MailerLite. Next up, you could also use WordPress and WooCommerce. Now, if you're already rocking a WordPress site, you're already probably familiar with WooCommerce. MailerLite actually integrates seamlessly with it as well. That means you can leverage all our powerful email marketing and automation tools to boost sales directly from your WooCommerce store. And then of course, there's digital marketplaces. In case you want to cast a wider net, you don't have to build a whole website just yet. Maybe you want to just even reach more people. Different marketplaces are fantastic for visibility. A few popular options you can think of like Gumroad and Etsy for digital products, Udemy for courses, or even Amazon for digital goods and ebooks. And the pros of the marketplaces, they've got a built-in audience, okay? So discoverability features and often handle payments and delivery. So it makes it pretty easy, and it's a great way to get started and kind of test the waters of your product. The MailerLite connection. Even if you sell actually on a marketplace, you can still use MailerLite to capture email addresses, perhaps by offering a free lead magnet in your product description and, build your own direct audience. This is crucial because, as you know, your email list is all yours, unlike a marketplace algorithm that can just change on a whim. Now, marketing your masterpiece. This is where you want to get the word out as much as you can. Okay, so your product is ready, your platform is chosen. Now, how do we get eyeballs on your amazing digital creation? This is where your marketing magic happens. So for one, brand power, your digital product's personality. Before you shout about your product, think about your brand, okay? This isn't just a logo, right? It's your identity, your voice, what makes you, you. Define your core values, your personality, and how you want to communicate. A strong brand is going to really resonate with your audience, and it makes your product very memorable. And number two, email marketing, your direct line to sales. I'm a huge fan of email. Well, why? Because your email list is your most valuable asset. Launch with a bang. Now, if you got an existing list, send out an exciting email campaign announcing your new product. And also build your list with a lead magnet. If you don't have a list currently, start building one. Offer a free lead magnet, maybe a mini version of your product, a checklist, or a free template in exchange for an email address. Then set up an automated email sequence to nurture these new subscribers and introduce them to your paid product. It's an evergreen sales machine. Abandoned cart recovery. Someone almost bought your product, but maybe they got distracted. Set up an email abandoned cart automation with MailerLite, okay? These emails are super effective because they target people who were this close to buying. It's like, gently reminding them they forgot something awesome in their shopping cart. Number three, social media. Connect, engage, convert. Social media is your playground for building community and driving awareness. And of course, promote smartly. Share snippets, behind the scenes, and testimonials. Use engaging visuals. And of course, you can also link in bio. Create a simple link in bio page. And fun fact, MailerLite actually offers templates like this for free. And this basically links directly to your product or your lead magnet. So you can tell your followers, link in bio for more. And engagement is key. Don't just broadcast, engage, okay? Answer questions, run polls, build relationships. The more your audience trusts you, the more likely they are to buy. And number four, paid ads. You can amplify your reach strategically here. So if you want to get in front of a massive audience fast, paid ad platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Google can really help you do the trick. Landing pages. Direct your ad traffic to a dedicated landing page for your product. This page should be hyper-focused on converting visitors into buyers with super clear benefits, testimonials, and a very strong call to action. This increases the chances of people buying when they actually visit your page. And MailerLite actually has an awesome landing page builder and tons of templates that you can use to hit the ground running here. And there's long-term strategy. Paid ads can be expensive upfront, so consider them part of a long-term strategy. Capture those email addresses as well. The lifetime value of a customer you acquire through ads can far outweigh the initial cost if you nurture them with email marketing and nurture them properly. And for 5, SEO, your organic sales engine. Think of search engine optimization, aka SEO, as your silent salesperson working 24/7. When someone searches for a solution your product offers, you want to pop up first. Keywords are king here. Research what your target audience is searching for. So, for example, if you sell a beginner's guide to digital photography, you're going to want to rank for terms like learn digital photography or something like the best camera settings for beginners. And for content creation, you can create blog posts, website pages, and product descriptions that naturally include those words. The more valuable content you create around your niche, the higher you're going to rank. And that is the goal. And boost your sales pro level tactics. Ready to squeeze even more juice out of your efforts? Here are some tactics to boost those conversions. Offer limited time discounts, okay? Nothing makes potential customers take action faster like urgency. Offer a discount for a short period of time, or limit the number of available discounted products that you're offering. And of course, there's customer reviews and testimonials, okay? Ask for reviews after a purchase. MailerLite can actually even automate review request emails for you. Then plaster those glowing testimonials all over your sales pages, your marketing materials, social media, anywhere you can. That makes sense. Seeing that others love your product builds your trust and encourages new sales. At least 40% of consumers actually think this way. And there's upsells and cross sales. Now, if you already made a sell, don't stop there, okay? Upsell, you can offer a higher priced premium version of maybe what they just bought, or maybe a pro version of your template with extra features, for example. You could cross-sell too. You could recommend complementary products. So if they bought your beginner's guide to digital photography, for example, you could offer your advanced photo editing presets to that whole bundle as well. MailerLite actually makes it super easy to segment your audience and send targeted offers to existing customers, so this can help you out tremendously. Okay, that was a lot. Now let's wrap it up. Your digital product empire awaits, okay? You've done it from that spark of an idea in part 1, through the meticulous creation process in part 2, to now understanding how to effectively sell and market your digital product. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It is about building a sustainable income stream and sharing your passion with the world. For an even deeper dive into everything we've covered today, check out our detailed blog on how to create and sell digital products. As always, I'll link it down below so you can check it out. Now that you're armed with all this knowledge, get out there, start selling, and make that moolah while you sleep. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.